Present tense verb conjugation using regular verbs. So we're going to go through a conjugation chart. Hopefully you've already reviewed what all the personal pronouns are. We're going to talk about what the endings are for regular verbs. So typically when you see a chart, you will see that there's the infinitive form of a particular verb. If you think about this in the context of English, the infinitive form is always to something. So to eat is essen, kaufen is to buy, kommen is to come, gehen is to go, sein is to be, haben is to have. So this idea of the infinitive is in English to whatever. So verb charts that we use will typically have the verb form in its infinitive form, and then it will say in English, what does it mean? So to followed by that verb. Something else to note and to consider now will be the endings. So in English we conjugate verbs, certainly. We may not have all the same kind of endings or as many conjugations, but we always have to have something that's basically our subject-verb agreement. We wouldn't say, I ate. We say, I ate. Or sorry, I eats. I eats pizza. We say, I eat pizza. He eats pizza. We wouldn't say, he eat pizza. So we have to make sure that our subject and our verb agree, our subject-verb agreement. And that's what we're going to do here with the endings in German. So let's take a look at these. So ich has an E ending. Du is typically ST. Yes is T. All of these are singular. Now we move to the plural side of our chart. So wir, we, has an EN ending. Ihr has a T ending. And then sie, both they and you, formal, singular, and plural, has an EN ending. So we have E, ST, T, EN, T, EN. Some people have called this the S-10-10 rule. It's a memory trick. S-10-10. And that way you can remember E-S-T-T-E-N-T-E-N, S-10-10. It's just a memory trick. You don't have to follow it, but some people find that to be helpful to remember the endings. So once again, this is for present tense, German verbs, the regular verbs. So now I'm going to go ahead, if you want, and find the next video, which will talk about how do we put this chart into practice.